today I made another trip to Antwerp actually. This time not to walk around in the street, but I came to a store. And today I came to the Ikea store. And since they're gonna open up this big, huge Ikea store in Manila, I thought it might be interesting or nice to see how an Ikea looks like on the inside and see what they sell. So kind of a little preview of what's happening and what's coming in Manila. So personally, I can't wait to see it because it's going to be the biggest IKEA in the world. So that's going to be something because let me tell you, every IKEA is already really big. So here we are. I arrived in Antwerp at the IKEA store. Take a look. There it is. Here it is, guys. It's a big, huge store, and it's nice, and they have really good prices, and basically they sell about everything you can think of. Everything that you need in a house, that's what they got. That's what they sell, from kitchens to furniture to all cutlery to anything you can think of. So therefore I came here and show you inside IKEA and see what they're selling. They also have a great restaurant. However, the restaurant is not open right now due to the circumstances in the world, but hopefully everything will open soon. So there, I hope you're gonna enjoy my walk around in IKEA. Let's go in. I'm in IKEA, guys. And you can furnish your whole house with what they sell here. They have just about everything to furnish it. I entered in the furnishing department, so and the arrows that you see here on the floor, they have nothing to do with what's going on in the world right now. Because IKEA, they have this system since the very beginning, since they opened those big box stores. It's like one-way traffic. It has always been, and it has nothing to do with the current situation. So as you can see, like, they sell just about everything. Like I say, you can furnish your whole house, like frames and cutlery and chairs, name it. And they make it into a little living room, so you have an idea how it would look in your house. So see, like this one here, like a little corner, chairs, the whole bit. So you can't see it right now, but IKEA is kind of divided into little sections, and every section has its say furniture, say couches, another section with beds, and another section with kitchen stuff. Another section with all cabinets, chairs, you know, name it. They have it all here. It's I have to say it's a very well organized store. I have been in many Ikeas before, and I have to say they have really good stuff and very reasonable in price. So there is no point in showing you prices because in Manila the prices are going to be very different than here. And I'll explain you a little bit later why that is. But let's take a look first. Here we come in the chair department, as you can see. Chairs, wherever you look. See, this whole area is all chairs and bar stools and little tables and stuff. So if you don't find it here, you know, then you have a problem. They sell whole kitchens. Look at it, and they have them all on display. Very nice to see. For a tiny house. For a bigger house. As you can see, lots. Kitchens still. All the different type of kitchen doors. Everything for the kitchen. The nice thing about this store is, look, they dress it up as if it was your own bedroom. See, here is the bedroom, the walls, a little dresser, a desk, that's supposed to be the window, and shelving and cupboards, and they even put clothes on the hangers just to show you how it would look like in your own house. Bedroom, bathroom attached, you know, they have everything. A little kids room, lighting. And when you follow the arrows, you have seen it all when you walk out, you know. It just goes all the way around the store until you have seen it all. Here we have bedroom cabinets, you know, drawers for hanging clothes, the type of doors that you can choose. I'm just coming here to hide in the kids' room for a second. As you can see, tiny furniture for the kids, because it's a quiet spot here. you know, so I can tell you a little bit about Ikea. Well, for those of us who don't know, Ikea is a Swedish store, and they have stores all over Europe, all over Canada, basically all over the world, and they're huge. Every store is humongously big, and now we know that they're going to build one in Manila, which is going to be the biggest one in the world. So I'm looking forward to see that one, because I have been in Ikeas. I'm here in Antwerp right now in the Ikea, and they're huge, and I've been in one in Poland, I've been in one in Holland, I've been in one in Spain, you know, a little bit all over, and basically they all look exactly the same. The layout is the same. It's like going to Jollibee or McDonald's. If you've been into one, you have seen them all, right? So basically that's the same with IKEA. The layout is the same, the furniture is the same, the principle of everything is exactly the same, which is nice. And yeah, so it's easy shopping here. And the one in Manila is going to be huge. Every IKEA has also a restaurant. Even the seating area in IKEA can seat 1,000 people. That's unbelievable. It's going to be near the Mall of Asia, well, connected to the Mall of Asia. So I'm really looking forward to see that one. So apparently it has 7 floors, which a regular IKEA in Europe has only 2 floors, main floor and a second floor, and a first floor basically. So basically that's it, what I want to say about it. Let's go around a bit further and see what else they have. I landed in the kids department here. I guess you can hear that too. Unfortunately, guys, I cannot show you the restaurant because the restaurant is closed, but I'm gonna show you a little peek in here. See, this is the restaurant, and it's huge too, but nothing is gonna compare to the one in Manila, that's for sure. Nothing, because they're gonna have 7 floors. Can you imagine? Holy! And the food here is actually really good. Really good, I have to say. See, it's hard to see, but it goes all the way back there. It's a huge restaurant. I'm going downstairs now. Coming down the stairs, I arrived in the kitchen department. And look at here. Whatever you need for the kitchen. Pots and pans and stuff. And more stuff. Oh. Knives. All kinds of cutlery, knives. Oh, look at this. They even have a knit up. And the stuff, believe it or not, is really inexpensive compared to any other stores. You know, it's a joy shopping in IKEA. Really. This is all kitchen department. As you can see, it goes on and on and on. Glasses. In every shape and form. I arrived in the pillow department. Every size, every color that you can think of. And like I say, there is no point in showing you prices because the prices in Manila are going to be way, way better than here because there are lots of taxes on stuff here. So I've noticed that in every country I go, they sell exactly the same stuff, but all the prices are always different. So I know for a fact that it will be really good, that the prices will be really good in Manila. So where did we end up now? In the curtain department. We arrived in the carpet department. And again, there's choice like unreal. They even have cow skin. Yeah, look at this, guys. All kinds of cow skin. Look at that. Now this is zebra, but trust me, it's not real. Everything for the bathroom. And here we are in the lighting department. Huge again. Everything you can think of for lighting, that's what they have here. Kids' rooms, everything. Look at this one. Lots of light. Oh, can't film it. And last light. And from the candle department where we are now, we are heading towards the plants. Look at this. Those are the real plants. Nice one. Wow. And now we're coming in the warehouse department, and the warehouse department is the department where you guys have to pick up your stuff yourself. Because Ikea has the theme of Ikea is everything comes in a box and you have to put it together yourself. So everything is in a box, as you can see, and we just come out of the showroom department, and then if you find something in the showroom department, you have to write the number down. And on the showroom department, look at this. Here in the aisles is all the stuff that you see upstairs, and then you have to come down here and then find it in the aisles. You know, it's very well organized actually. See, they have a bin number, and they have the arrow where the item is. So this is now a mattress actually, but as you can see, here the boxes, everything is in the boxes. And the nice thing with Ikea is when you buy a cabinet or something that you have to put together yourself, the tools comes with it to put it together. You know, it's not that you have to go out and buy tools to put it together. No. Everything is in the box: the screws, the tools, and the instruction how to put it together. It is really, really easy if you follow the instructions. So here it is. It's huge, as you can see. And there are aisles and aisles. See, the aisles are numbered on the top. And everything is well organized and numbered, and you just see it goes all the way in the back there to aisle 37. So huge. Okay guys, as you can see, aisle after aisle with products. Garden furniture. And my favorite part of Ikea is that part right there. See? That part right there. And I show you what it is, and I tell you what it is. It's about every month Ikea changes their displays, and everything that was on display, they sell it on a really reduced price. It's all brand new stuff. It just was displayed in the store, and you know, that's it. It's not in the box anymore. And in that department there, they sell all the display goods basically at a very, very reduced price. So let's go take a look in there and see what they got. In this Ikea, it's a very small area, but I have been in other Ikeas where this reduced prices items is huge. As you can see, they have a little bit of everything. See chairs and stuff. And they are all discounted at a really, really good price. Take this couch, for example. So this is it, guys. Look at here are the cash registers. Down there is a little bistro too, where you can buy some drinks and ice cream and stuff. And here is the sort of supermarket department where they sell all kinds of Swedish products, mostly. You know, it's not huge, but they have a little bit of everything, like smoked salmon coming from Sweden. They have their Swedish meatballs. You know, all kinds of products that you can buy from Sweden. And let me tell you, I can recommend the Swedish meatballs in the restaurant. They're really, really good. You know. And then here, down here is a little bistro where you can buy a hot dog or a waffle or something. You know, something to go. Which I'm gonna do because I'm really thirsty. So.